Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, the number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Hamad, your customer success manager. Well, never launch a quiz without testing it first. A tiny mistake in your logic can cost you leads. Go to your one of your quizzes. Next to the Build tab, you have a Design tab where you get to preview your quiz before you launch it or publish it. Take the quiz from start to finish. Don't just skim through it. Look for how the images are loading up. Check through how the skip logic hits. And last but not the least, check how the lead form pops up. Don't just check it on your desktop. Copy the preview link and open it in your phone as well. Most of your leads will come from mobile, so your design needs to be flawless on a small screen. Fixing typos now is easy, and fixing it after 1,000 people have seen it is embarrassing. Catch those bugs early, and you'll launch with confidence. If you still have any questions, just reply or book a quick call. I'm here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz today with Lead Quizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.